Today we are going to start a new topic, linear inequation. Before starting with this topic, we should know some basic things. So let us know some basic things. That is, first, I is the set of integers. It includes negative integers, positive integers and 0. It will never include any decimal number or fraction values. Then we come on second, R is a set of real numbers. It includes all the integers plus all the rational numbers, all the fractions, all the decimal numbers. Then third is N. N is a set of natural numbers. It includes only positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Third comes W. W is a set of whole numbers. It includes only 0 and 1, 2, 3. It includes 0 and all the positive integers. Now, second which we need to go on is graphing. How we will graph the solution set. Now we need to know how to graph solution set. Suppose we have a solution set x is greater than equal to -2 and less than 4 and x is element of I. I is a set of integers. So the integers x will be equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It will not include 4 because there is no equal to sign here. Now we need to graph this on number line. See, we have specific solutions, so only we need to mark these solutions. We will mark -2. On -2 we will make a dot. On -1 we will make a dot. On 0 we will make a dot. On 1 we will make a dot. 2, 3. Only on these we will make a dot. Now we have the same solution set. X is greater than equal to -4, less than R. But here we have x is element of R. R is a set of real number. Now here the graphing will be different. What we are going to do? On -2 we will make a circle and we are going to fill it. Why we are going to fill it? Because we have equal to sign. On 4 also we will make a circle, but here we will not fill it because we don't have equal to sign here. Now x is greater than -2 and less than 4. So the region which is greater than -2 and less than 4 is this region. We are going to make it dark. This is the graphing of real number. We are going to solve this first problem. Now here 5 and 3 will give you the LCM 15. Okay. Now this will become 9x minus 5 times 2x minus 1. And here we have greater than sign 1. Then 9x, this minus 5 will be multiplied with both. So minus 5 into 2x will give you minus 10x and minus 5 into minus 1 will be plus 5. This 15 will be multiplied on other side. So 15 times 1 is 15. Now 9x minus 10x will give you minus x and we have plus 5 here greater than 15. Now this 5 is added here, so on the other side it will be subtracted. So we will have minus x greater than 15 minus 5, or we can write minus x is greater than 10. Now this minus x can be assumed as minus 1. Now we need to divide with minus 1 on the other side because we are dividing with a negative number, so this sign is going to flip. So here it will become x is less than 10 over minus 1, or we can write x is less than minus 10. Now the whole numbers, it is given that x is element of whole number. Now x is less than minus 10 and x is a set of whole number. There exists no such number which is less than minus 10 and is a set of whole number. So we can write x is equal to 5 which is a empty set. Now I am taking another question. This question came in 2020 board. So here we have two inequality sign. One is this, another is this. So we will solve this equation into two parts. First part will be from here to the second inequality sign and another part will be from here to here. Okay. So here we are going to write 3 by 5x plus 2 is less than x plus 4. Now we will bring the x terms on other side and constant term on other side. So 3x by 5 minus x, this x is positive, so it will be negative x, and here 2 is positive, so on the other side it will be subtracted. So 4 minus 2. Now we will take the LCM. LCM is 5. So here we will have 3x minus 5x, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Now this 5 will be multiplied on other side, and 3x minus 5x will give you minus 2x, and this 5 is multiplied on other side, so it will become 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Now we need to divide this minus 2 with 10. Now because we are dividing with a negative number, so again this sign is going to flip. So here it will become 10 over minus 2, or we can write x is greater than minus 5. Now we come on our second part. Here we have x plus 4 is less than equal to x by 2 plus 5. Now same way we are going to bring x by 2 on the left hand side and this 4 on the other side. So x minus x by 2 will be less than equal to 5, and this 4 will be subtracted. Now again we will take the LCM 2, and this will become 2x minus x. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now this 2 is multiplied on the other side, and here we will get 2x minus x is x less than equal to 2. So we have two solutions, one is this and one is this. We are going to merge it. So basically what we will have, x is greater than minus 5 and less than equal to 2. Now we need to graph it on number line. So first we are going to draw the number line. Here we will have 0, 1, 2, and here we will have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Now on minus 5 we are going to make a circle, and we will make it like this way. Then on 2 also we will make a circle. Now on 2 we will fill the circle because we have equal to sign here. And on minus 5 we will not fill the circle because we don't have equal to sign. Now x is greater than and less than equal to 2. So we are going to make the region little bit darker. So this is our graphing on number line.
Now you can start solving the exercises. More difficult questions will be solved in the next video.